Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And of course, I just want to say happy morning sa lahat ng aking mga ka-channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for your accompany during my activities. Thank you a lot. And guys, sana po ay patuloy po tayong makipag-engage, patuloy po tayong manood at mag-subscribes. And sa hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, I'd like to invite you guys to subscribe, to like and share if possible. And looking forward for our cooperations. Thank you. And then, of course, ang gusto ko lang naman is to entertain, to have fun with you guys, to update everything. So, ano man yun, just abang-abangan nyo lang. And happy to serve you and happy to engage you. That's all. And besides, creating this YouTube channel is also inspires me to entertain and to do good things and to impart of my talents. Ayan. So, kasi lahat naman tayo pwedeng magpasaya, lahat naman tayo pwedeng gumawa ng mga bagay na nakapagbigay happiness. Kasi guys, ang saya ay hindi nabibili. No, it's just kusa yan, no? Na pwedeng gawin natin. It's for free, no? So salamat, maraming salamat, and basta I'm looking forward, and thank you so much sa mga nagsusubscribe sa akin. Bago pa lang po ako dito sa channel na to, pero excited po ako, no? And basta gusto ko lang po talagang mag-enjoy with you guys, and I hope na samahan nyo din po ako. And that's all for now. Happy morning sa lahat, and stay safe wherever you are with your families, of course, and God bless us all. Thank you.